So it's Thursday, off ako sa work. So good to be at home, Enjoying this kind of view, kind of weather. It's fall, and it's my favorite season as well. And kahit off ako, trying to be productive. Today is Jen and Jen Day, and at the same time, no, it's business day, literally a business day. Yeah, alam niyo, work from home si Kobe, so magkasama kami today. I'm just so grateful kasi may work kami, alam mo yun. May bahay kaming tinitirhan. Parehas kaming healthy, alam mo yun. Tapos may comfortable bed kami. Sobrang grateful ko lang na every time I wake up, I don't worry about those kind of things. Alam ko each and everyone has their own problems, pero looking at the things that you're grateful and you're blessed with, makakalimutan mo talaga yung problema mo. Kasi maraming taong may problema, but you just have to look on the brighter side. Look for the blessings that you got. Kasi may problema ka na nga, malungkot ka pa, di ba? So might as well just live your life kasi we only have one shot in this life and it's your choice if you're gonna mess it up, right? So yeah, I just wanna share kasi I was doing my work, taking my time, slow morning, I'm having my tea, I made coffee for Kobe, and I'm looking at my plants. I'm gonna water them later. Shower ko sila dun sa washroom, but yeah, I'm just so grateful. I get to make my candles,